Do we really know what time is? Is our perception of time the same as in the objective realm and in the actual world? Fatalism is the idea that everything is determined. Premise 1 says, there exist now propositions about everything that might happen in the future. Premise 2 says, every proposition is either true or false. Premise 3 says, if Premise 1 and Premise 2, then there exists now a set of true propositions that, taken together correctly, predict everything that will happen in the future. Premise 4 says, if there exists now a set of true propositions that, taken together, correctly predict everything that will happen, then whatever will happen in the future is already unavoidable. Premise 5 says, whatever will happen in the future is unavoidable. Premise 2 appears to be a fundamental principle of semantics. This is also known as the principle of bivalence. Premise 4 assumes that no one is able to make a true prediction turn out false. Fatalism is a lot like a board game. Every move is already determined before you even make it. Aristotle says time cannot have a beginning because there must be a first moment of time. Time cannot have a first moment because it would have to be at an early time period and a later time period, which wouldn't make it the first moment. Mattard's argument argues that there is no such thing as time. It's a mere appearance. This has an A series and a B series. The A series is 2 days in the future, 1 day in the future. It's based off properties. The B series is 2 days earlier than or 1 day earlier than. It's based off relations. Taggart says A series is essential to time because change is essential. B series is forever fixed. The A series is inherently contradictory. Time cannot be in the past and future. Taggart concludes that time itself, including A and B series, is unreal. The next theory is the A theory, B theory. This is convinced by part of Mattarget's argument. The B theory agrees about inherently contradictory in the A series. Many philosophers also believe the A series is not real, but they don't go as far as denying time itself. They believe time is a result of the way humans perceive the world, which is saying that time is contingent. The A theory says the passage of time is a very real feature of the world, and not some mind-dependent feature, which is saying that time is necessary. The A theorist affirms that reality of tense, and the B theorist denies reality of tense. Then, from this, the question arises, if time passes, how fast does it pass? Presentism is the view that only present objects exist. A theorists believe in this. Presentism is denied by non-presentism, which is the view that there are some non-present objects. Eternalism is the theory that objects from the past and future exist. Non-presentism theorists believe in this. The growing universe theory is a theory that the universe is always increasing in size. The next thing that comes to question is whether time travel can happen. Philosophers really question is whether time travel is permitted by the laws of logic and metaphysics. The argument against time travel depends on the claim that presentism is true.